Hey guys, today is February 8th, and I just thought I would step out here in the cool of the evening here in Zone 9B and show you the chaos that is happening out here. Okay, somebody is having a wing ding over there. Anyway, it amazingly enough, where I live, you can hear a pin drop. Okay, this is a community of quiet folk, and the day that I decide to step outside, somebody got the little radio going, but it's not loud. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys for a minute how crazy and chaotic-ish my garden is looking. Now, the main point is, it may not be cute like it used to be, but we are eating, and that is the whole point. You got your Swiss chard right there. You got some, what is that, Russian kale. You got some dinosaur kale. You got the tree collards over there that the cabbage moth worm tried his best to destroy. We got some, I don't know what that is, some kind of broccoli, and I decided to let it bolt because the hummingbirds love it. We got, ooh, broccoli over there. I gotta harvest that. That's some celery. Enough parsley for everybody in the neighborhood. There's some kale next to that. I don't know why the eggplants feel that they need to continue on, but you do that, honey. I love you. Those are some, what is that, thyme? Oh my God, I'm gonna do it. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Yes, for those of you that are old enough to remember The Graduate, I love that movie with Dustin Hoffman and Anne Bancroft. You need to look it up. It's a classic. But anyway, that's the Simon and Garfunkel tune that I would, that I shouldn't sing. But anyway, I did that. All kind of stuff going on over there. You guys can't see. Way over there in the naked peach tree is my landlord, Smith Corona somewhere. There's some of the other birds. I do feed them. I have 3 dishes of bird food. Oh, there's my husband. There he is. He shows up when I show up. And let's see if we can capture his beauty. Okay, that's out of focus, so I need to stop. But anyway, we're gonna look over that way. You guys, let me see. We got tomatoes still that are ripening. Okay, this is comedy, because I kid you not. Got planes, and Smith Corona is out here sitting in the middle of his deal. That's the hummingbird. And for those of you that are old enough to know what a Smith Corona is, a typewriter, and he sounds exactly like one. He's been out here for about a year. The hummingbirds in Northern California, this part of Northern California, they don't migrate. So I maintain all 7 of his feeders that he controls. And yeah, he's here. And we're friends. But anyway, I'm sorry for this horrible. Look at all those that fell. Don't be wasting food. I haven't been out here a lot because I've been experiencing a serious deal with my hip, with out the cartilage in it that my doctor discovered. So we're contemplating what we're going to do about that. Sounds like a surgical procedure in my future, but if it does happen, it's gonna have to happen when I'm not gonna have to be out here. So it can't be in the summer. Now, by the grace of God, my garden, when I couldn't come out here a lot during the past few months, didn't need water because it's water in itself, right? Look at all this boating going on. Boat. Yeah, boats in the summer, boats in the winter. We got broccoli, though, over here for the first time in my gardening life. I got broccoli. This is my 4th year. You guys know I'm a hard-working girl. And if I pull up the old 2 or 3 years ago, what my garden used to look like, and I did majority of the work myself, and I really want to do it again, but my leg is not going to let me, or my hip, or whatever, I don't think. What is that? So I think I'm going to approach it slowly and start cleaning it up gradually. And then I think I'm going to end up having my landscaper come and do some of the cleanup for me. Look at that. Spring approaches because, look, the rose bush coming back. You guys are like, why she got swimming pools? As soon as Walmart starts selling the kiddie pools, go get you some. Because I'm trying not to stab myself in the eye. Hi, fig trees. Hi. You got a little fig on there that's not edible, but that's cool. Look at this, though, you guys. Why? Why? Bell pepper. I've learned that sometimes we're not able to do things because we're not able to do them. We're not supposed to. You know? But anyway, here we are over here at the lovely kiddie pools full of greens. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then there's the other one over there with some greens and some kale. And they're beautiful. I need to come out here and harvest these. Cook them up. But it's a mess out here. But it's an edible mess, so I'm alright. We're going to look at one of these. Look at that. I suggest you guys, if you don't grow any smaller tomatoes, I had a variety, and so when the other ones failed to produce when it started to get cold or they wouldn't ripen, these little ones did. And I'm not understanding why I have bell peppers. Interesting. So we're going to look at the ground for a minute. This is sand. 3 years ago it was grass, and I had a landscaper back here. And my plan was to have him put rocks or something. And then we had someone from the peanut gallery inside the house come out and say, why don't you get artificial grass? Oh, look, look. We're finding things. Look at those peppers. Wow. I love it. And instead of saying, no, you haven't done the research and that's not what I really want to do, I kept my mouth shut. And then I allowed him to put the sand down, and then the project came to a stop. So this is chaos because he didn't put any landscaping cloth or anything underneath this. And so grass continues to grow. But, so he's no longer my landscaper. Look at Smith Corona. Hi, beautiful darling. Look at my baby. He's so handsome. The more I'm out here with the hummingbird, I'm sorry for this camera work, you guys. The more I'm out here, yeah, he's don't want to be looked at right now. They see you. They see you, handsome guy. Anyway, I was just saying before, is he did a not great job, and he was paid fair. I paid him when he asked for the job, so that wasn't the issue. But I have a new landscaper that had to do the front of our house, and it was a dynamic job, that guy. So he came back here, looked at everything, and gave me a quote. So, yeah, I'm going to have to go tap dance somewhere to gather that up. But anyway, it needs to be done. Down there, I bought some Italian oregano from Green Acres. Yep. And it's doing well, and I need to harvest it and dry it and do something. But anyway, I wanted to come out here and share. It's just a mess. I like a challenge, but the only thing that's challenging for me is being able to stand up on my hip. So, anyway, God is in control, as always. And in my life, sorry you guys, I'm trying to see if you can see Smith Corona sitting over there. There he is. Hi, honey. That's my sweet baby. Hummingbirds are wonderful. Really territorial. Well, at least these are. Smith Corona has 1, 2, 3, about 6 or 7 feeders out here. And he will not share with anyone. Another hummingbird shows up and he loses it. But he has gotten really, really used to me. And when I'm out here sometimes, he'll fly like right up in my face and look. But anyway, that's the end of my chaotic, apologizing for this camera work, garden tour. I hope you guys are doing well. And it is my goal to make a lot more videos, to get better at my camera work. And got a lot of tomatoes on here. They're everywhere. Wow. Amazing. Nature's amazing. Some of these little ripe ones, I'm going to harvest. My mom enjoys them. So you guys take care. And I'll talk to you soon.